Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to not get caught using ChatGPT. So to do that, first let's go to ChatGPT website, and I'm going to ask it to write me a 100-word essay for the demonstration. So alright, so we have this text. Now let's see if it detects the AI first. Alright, so let's paste it and check. Yeah. Alright, so it has detected AI content. So now what we're going to do is simply ask it to re-paraphrase it so it can bypass the AI detection. And now we wait. Alright, so it has started to paraphrase. So let's just wait for it to end. And now we're going to just copy this and paste it in AI detector, the previous one. So let's just go here and paste it, and let's check it. And there we go, it has bypassed the AI detection. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.